What's up everybody, my name is Micah and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a bow and arrow using just one piece of PVC pipe. Let's get this project started. To start this project off, you will first need to measure and cut a 1 foot piece of PVC pipe. Now sand off the rough edges. Now prepare a large pot full of water and boil the 1 foot piece of PVC pipe for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the PVC pipe should be softened and you can just press it against the side of the pot to warp it into the shape of a bow. Now I'm going to drill 3 holes, 1 straight through in the center and 2 only through the first bit of the PVC pipe on the edges of the bow. Next, I spray painted mine because the PVC pipe that I used did not look very good. But as you can see later on in the video, the paint did not stick very well, so I'm not sure how you're supposed to paint PVC pipe. Okay, next you're going to need 4 sets of 5 rubber bands, and just tie them together as shown in the video. Until you have all 4 sets of 5 tied together. Then I used a paper clip that I'd bent into a small hook to pull the rubber bands through the hole at the end of the bow. After I had it through that hole, I wrapped the rubber band through itself to create a knot. Then I did the same thing with the other end of the rubber bands. But this time, instead of tying it, I used a paper clip to hold it on. Okay, now the bow is the whole way done. For the arrows, all I did was used a skewer and wrapped some electrical tape to the end. I do realize that they would fly better if I add some fins, but maybe I'll give that a try in a future project. Okay guys, that's how you build it. Now let's give it a test. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and share with anyone else that you think would enjoy it. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Peace out.